Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at Google Forms. By using Google Forms, you can come here on our Google Chrome. You search for the Google. You come here and then you may type in the word Google Forms. You search under Google Forms. You can go here to the option and you look for the Google Forms. Of course, you can see Google password, Google Form, Google Books, Google Travel, but I want Google Form. As we wait for it to open, so these are different forms here. You can see contact information, RSVP, party invite, t-shirts, these are different forms here. But for us, we want to come here on platform from our Google. Here, we are going to come and click on a blank form because we want to create our own Google form. So then we are given that questions, responses, settings, but we have an annotated form description, annotated question or option. So we are going to put here, I'm going to come here on my form description, annotated form. Maybe I want to add a what? A description here. Of any company. So you can come here and add a title. Maybe you can say at the top of a company, a school, an organization. Finally, I can come and say and come and say maybe feedback, feedback That is the description. If you want, you can bold it. So I come back here on the title. Maybe you want to know in company. Here we are trying. They have told us trying to connect. Let's wait for it. This is a bit slow. You can put maybe can say Richard Daniel Ozi, Castor Oil Company. So you can add any other description here and say um, you can bleed the wrist or do what. So as I've earlier told you here, you can come and add the title to the company. Then after all that here you can come and say maybe you can come and add in question the message like who is the CEO of the company. You can add any other stuff or any other thing that you want to add. So after all that, here we are given that you can share this information to anyone using this link, or you can come here. We are given more options. You can share it via WhatsApp any, to anyone who is on internet. So after all that, all then you can duplicate the question or copy to any other adoptions or add any other stuff which you want to include in your Google form. So this was my Google form. Thank you for listening. I will